In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use NETWORKDAYS function in Google Sheets. Now this function helps you calculate the number of days between two dates. Let me show you an example right here. So we have our data right here with the project name, our start date for the project, our target completion date, and what we're trying to figure out on our last column is the number of working days for our project to finish. Let's get started. So we're going to start with our equal sign, type in NETWORKDAYS, or select it right here, and you have your formula. So we're going to have our start date, comma, and our end date. Now you see here that you can include some holidays, but as you see here, our holidays are optional and you can just exclude them if you like. So we're just going to focus with our start date and our end date. Let's select our start date right here. Don't forget your comma and your end date. When you press enter, you've successfully calculated the total working days needed to finish this project. Let's try that again. So start with the equal sign, and you have a formula suggestion right here where we have our start date and our end date. If you just press tab, you've successfully calculated the number of working days for this project to finish. And if you just drag this down on the corner right here, you'll be able to fill the rest of your data. And that's how to use the NETWORKDAYS function in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.